Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to edit multiple text box at once. Okay. Now see this many text box. Go to Home tab, print and select. Go to Special. Click Object. Now OK this. Now see this any arrow. Right click mouse. First edit multiple apps. Text box. Now select your text box style. Okay. See this fill options, more fill colors, pictures, gradient. See this many gradient color, textures, outline, more outline colors, white, dash. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.